Hello, this is athlete water resistance, water spraying, water jetting test chamber. This chamber can perform IPX5 to IPX9K testing. Now we are going to do IPX9K testing. Flow, temperature, pressure. Here is our touch screen controller. We can set in the temperature here. 80 degrees centigrade. Here can also set in the testing time and the IP mode. This is our testing room with the lighting here and 4 spraying nozzles. This is 0 angle, 30 angle, 60 angle, and 90 angle. The angle it is adjustable. And here is the turntable. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. It is also according to the customer requirement. Let us close the door. IPX9K testing. Thank you for watching the video.